Hello everyone! For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper and then draw black spots on it. Take an empty tissue roll and then wrap it with blue sheet of paper. Now cut a sheet of red paper and fold it into a triangle as such. Cut the edges to make it non-sharp and stick it onto the blue sheet of paper. Cut 2 circular pieces in red and then stick it as such. Add jet to the bottom and you have yourself a rocket. You may also add some stars. Next, take a white sheet of paper, trace the shape of a little mushroom and then stick it with seeds, the top and the bottom. Draw some circles inside the mushroom and then line these as well with seeds. Fill the rest of the mushroom with seeds and the inside with white seeds and other sort of grains. For our next craft, take a pink sheet of paper and make it into a cone as such. Take some clay and make this into eyes. Take some red clay to make the nose and poke a hole into the nose. Stick this at each of the sides of the paper and then draw tentacles at the bottom of them. Now you have yourself some underwater sea fish. Next, take a blue sheet of paper and a darker blue sheet and cut it into branches. Cut out semicircles and make this into leaves for the tree that we are making. Thank you for watching.